Yep, this is what we're going to be reviewing today. It's one of these electric scooters. It came in this box. We're going to be opening up this box. We're going to put it together. We're going to try it out right after this. Okay, to start out, there's unboxing videos I've done and there's unboxing videos I've done. This is probably one of the bigger items that I've reviewed besides that generator a few months ago. But fortunately, I've got a tool that can help me with this. As much as I would like to push it over and slam it to the ground, I'm going to do it a little bit more carefully. There we go. After all, I don't want to damage it. Okay, doctor, time for the first incision. Yeah, I didn't think that would do it with just one cut. So, we should cut the sides on here. Careful not to cut myself. That's for sure. Yep. And yep. Cool. Okay, it is intact. Open. However, I think we're going to have to see what's inside somehow in a better way. I just remember that I haven't really said the product name. This is the Alpha Electric Scooter, and I believe this company is Atom, maybe. I'll put it down there. Just trust me, I always do that. See, there it is. That's what it is. Okay, I'm not sure if this will get in the camera view, but I'm just gonna tip it forward, just maybe so you can see what it's like here. I'm actually hoping this isn't going to be one of these things that's going to take hours to assemble. I mean, I'm hoping that this thing is just like the handlebar and you just screw that on and call it good. And then you take it for a ride. But now I got to take it out of the box. And I'm trying hard to think of how I can do this without damaging too much. And I think I might have a way. Oh, hello. Hey, what is this? I'm going to see if I can get a better view on this. Okay, for simplicity's sake, I think what I'm just going to do is turn the box upside down and just kind of dump it out. And hopefully that works. Ouch. Okay, I got the box out of the shot. Now to just get rid of this kind of spongy stuff. Get that out of the shot too. And there's something in here. I can't tell what it is. That's what it looks like. Okay, but it's on the floor, but you can see, there it is. It's pretty much what you'd expect it to be. Here's the handlebars right here. And let me see if I just can't pry this kind of out here. Okay. Okay, you can pretty much see how this goes, right? I have to get rid of this thing. Should I just put it together now? I don't know. What else does this come with? Okay, I don't really think this is anything, so I'll just put it with the rest of the spongy stuff over here. Now, what does it come with? Okay, I got the user manual right here. This should teach me how to assemble this thing. And it doesn't look like it's going to be too difficult. Then there's this thing, which I believe is the power source. You know, that's gonna, I mean, this is an electric scooter, which means I gotta charge it somehow, right? Maybe let's find out. Yeah, that's how it works. We just gotta assemble this stuff, which means we gotta follow some instructions. Okay, step 1, unfolding. A, unfold your scooter by pulling the stem upright. Let's try it. Okay, step 1B, unfold the kickstand to support the scooter. This thing has a kickstand? Where's the kickstand? Where's this? Kickstand? Where are you? Okay, this is kind of hurting me a bit. Okay, I found the kickstand. It's down here. See? Okay, well hopefully it's not that. All right. Okay, got it. Now, the C step is locate the folding latch, push it up to lock the stem, and some force if necessary. Please make sure the safety button on the folding mechanism is clipped and latched properly. Okay, so this could be a make or break thing. Is it? There. Oh, here we go. Locked. Nice. Okay, what's next? Something tells me it's about putting this into this. Do I even need to read the instructions? Yes, I'm going to. Okay, step 2B, as in to be or not to be, that is the question. It says connect the male cable from the headset to the female cable of the stern. Make sure the ports align carefully. I have noticed this and this, so let's see if we can't get them together. Going on here. I'm just going to make sure this connects right. Ah, okay, pop together. We're good. Okay, next is insert the headset at the top of the stem and tighten in place with the screws provided. These screws are of course provided right here. And here's how we're going to do that. Okay, that goes there, that goes there. Okay, I really got to stuff this inside, but it is working. Ah, here we go. Oh, okay, hopefully that lines up. Let's see if it does. Okay, so we get the screwdriver, or this little thing, looks like an Allen wrench of some type. And then we've got the two screws, hopefully they'll align properly, if I did this right. And I think I did. We shall see. Yeah, I got holes in there that's got to line up. Okay, the good news is I got the screws in, I just got to get them super tight. I need to do it with this. It's boring, I didn't really want to show you. I mean, I'd rather do fun things like that. But hey, okay, I adjusted the camera angle so you can see it a bit better now. And honestly, looks pretty sexy. I believe I'm probably gonna have to power this before I even take it out for a run, unless it actually comes pre-powered. A lot of things do, so if I just turn it on, okay, I'm actually getting something here. Let's see. Oh, dude, we got some cool light going on here. That's a cool effect. Doesn't even have to have that effect. Okay, something I want to bring to your attention is there's like this combination lock down here. I'm not sure of the combination. I'm sure it's in the manual or something like that. But there's also this wire down here. If you flip this thing off here, that did not come out right. Essentially, there's this compartment here, and it has this, and this pulls out. Now, I'm guessing that connects to the power thing. Let's see if I'm right. Well, here's the power thing, and this is a connector here. Looks female. This is male. So I'm guessing this goes right onto this. And I am absolutely wrong. Okay, this is actually a combination lock of some type. I'm going to try this out, but not right now. That's because I want to see where this power thing does feed it to. Is it obvious? I cannot tell. Where are you? Turns out it's not very obvious. I found this out when I opened up the kickstand, but there is a spot there where you open it up and you fit it in there. And then it's got this cord that fits in there. And then you just plug it in the wall. I don't know how long it takes to charge, but it does recommend to charge after every use. This isn't working. Okay, all right. Now I'm out here this place, trying this thing out. I was able to fold this in place so it fits right in my car. And it's time to put it together. Okay, that is solid on there, and that's pretty good. Now I'm going to take it for a ride so you can check it out for yourself. I can make this even more fun. TikTok for you. What the hell? Yep, dang it. Ah. Well, that was kind of exciting. I wish my camera would stop going in and out like that. That's crazy. All right, I got some good footage. Well, this has been quite a day on the cycle here. And yeah, let me get you a price because I forgot to look it up. I'll put it right here. This has been Mark Rollins from the Geek Church, and I am signing off.